Welcome to Prince Expository YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about another inversion of 4-bar chain, that is coupling rod of a locomotive. This coupling rod of a locomotive is also called as double crank mechanism. The mechanism of a coupling rod of a locomotive, which is also known as double crank mechanism, consists of 4 links, namely link 1 AB, link 2 BC, link 3 CD, and link 4 AD. In this mechanism, the links AD and BC are of equal length. These links AD and BC acts as cranks, and also they are connected to the respective wheels. CD acts as a coupling rod, and the link AB is fixed in order to maintain a constant center-to-center distance between them. This mechanism is meant for transmitting rotary motion from one wheel to the other wheel.